Did you know our SPRINT-Nav DP does more than just tell you where you are? It will also provide live water current speed and direction to assist with vessel operations by incorporating both a DVL and ADCP in one unit. Wondering how you view the water current data you've collected with your SPRINT-Nav DP? Keep watching to find out. Water current speed and direction is extremely important for DP operations. The DP system estimates water current and its effect on the vessel by analysing vessel movement, allowing the DP system to counter the water current force acting on the vessel's hull, along with other environmental forces. Our SPRINT-Nav DP is unlike many other water current monitoring systems on the market, as the system can remove the speed of the vessel from any water current measurements. This value can then be compared directly with the DP's estimated water current for validation. Knowing the water current speed and direction can also provide key operational information during launch and recovery of vehicles and other items. The live view of ADCP data provides users with a water speed profile of the water column down to 80 to 100 metres. Directly measuring the water speed at different depths provides confidence for operators looking to define when environmental conditions are no longer within working conditions. Traditionally, this may have been down to the ROV pilot. As part of the SPRINT-Nav DP system, our Origin Viewer ADCP data visualisation software is also provided. Origin Viewer provides a simple and intuitive user interface to inspect heat maps of a variety of ADCP data, including water velocities and backscatter intensities. It also allows heat map data to be visualised as individual depth slices and time series, providing a more detailed view of the water properties. Origin Viewer can be run on both Windows and Linux operating systems. Let's show you what it can do. Origin Viewer gives you 4 ways to work with the data. For DP, you'll most of the time want to stream live data, but you can also go back and analyse log data. When you start the application, you'll see the splash screen. You can click the question mark to download the quick start guide, the user manual, or access Sonardyne support details. You can also click this selector to change the theme to suit your environment. Origin Viewer gives you 4 ways to work with the data. You can load in a single file, load in a directory of files, stream data from a device, or log data arriving from a device. To load in a single file, select File and navigate to the file you'd like to view. Once you click load, you'll then be able to see a heat map that allows you to zoom in and out of your data. The plots at the side and bottom show depth and time slices through the data at the location of the cursor. The plot at the top is a metadata plot. You can select which data to view here. If you aren't interested in seeing these additional plots, just click this Main Plot Only box. Under masking, you'll see this Mask Beyond Bottom feature. This allows you to blank out data below the seabed, like this. You can transform the velocity data between frames of reference between beam, world or vessel. For DP, you'll often want to be in vessel or earth frame. To stream data, select Stream to open the Stream Options dialog box and input the required settings. Then click Connect. The heat map will then start populating with data. These products include SPRINT-nav and Syrinx DVL, as well as the Origin ADCP products. Here we are viewing total velocity in earth frame, ideal for deploying objects to the seabed. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please get in touch via sonardyne.com or your local Sonardyne office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything new from Sonardyne. Thanks for watching.